What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here at the Church of Tim Allen. We celebrate more power. So check out this Anguo external battery power bank with me. All right, so I picked this up. It's got some different ports on it, and it should carry a nice charge here. Let's just unbox this bad boy and see what we get. And look at this thing. I will tell you what, it's like an aluminum enclosure. It says Anguo on there, a matte finish, textured finish, and so it feels really nice. This thing is dense. I'm assuming that it's got round cells and it's just kind of wrapped very compactly around those. 10,400 milliamp hours. So this sucker is a big freaking power bank, and so it should be able to power and recharge just about everything you've got. Model A17, you can see the output there, 2.4 amp, 1 amp, and 1 amp, and that means we have 3 USB ports. Take a look at that. 2.4 amp, 1, and 1. And so you can absolutely charge up your iPod, headphones, iPhone on the 1 amp. But if you want to go to that quick charge, whether it's something that draws a lot of power like your iPad or your new smart device, whatever, you can throw it in there, and that's going to be really awesome. You can see micro USB port in here. We have an LED light right there, and then the power button right there. So if I just tap that, looks like we have 4 LEDs on, which should mean it's 100% charged. So we should have the full 10.4 K milliamp hour installed or available to us. And if I hold this down here, boom, you can see that LED light on. And while it's not obviously the most powerful thing, you wouldn't want to use this for camping. It's going to be great for manipulating a backpack in your tent or whatever. And even if you're stranded on your car, you could use that to find things or find the pump and the jack to fill up your tires. So the ends here are plastic, but this is all metal, and you can see here how small it is. That's pretty awesome. So let's just finish up taking a look at what else we get in the box. User manual, and then a micro USB cable right there. And now the question is, does the Anguo work? So what I have here is a lightning cable, my old trusty lightning cable. I'm going to throw it in the 2.4 amp section here. I'm going to take my iPhone 6 Plus here and plug it in. Oh, look at that. It's already charging. Boom. So this sucker works. I thought I might have to tap that power button, but it detected that it's in there. Now, let me just try the other slots here. Boom. Look at that. As expected, no problems on any of them. Just a slower recharge state. So pretty amazing. Like I said, 10,400 milliamp hours in a small, compact setup like this. I think that's impressive. So many times these things are much bigger. Check it out. I'll put a link to this Anguo in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.